This new project is built upon HyperEVM, and this cute little glass kitty right here can not only help you earn up to 1000% in APY, but also a potentially very juicy airdrop. We'll cover everything in today's video, and all you have to do is use my referral link that's given down in the description just below the like button, or use the invite code SUPER for a 5% point boost. And no, this is not sponsored or anything. I just think the UI is very clean, very unique, and it's not a fork of some random project, and they're building something very cool. And also, not to mention the ridiculous 1000% returns I could make, which is different from the airdrop. And most of all, it's built on HyperEVM. And because of all those mentioned reasons, I'm pretty bullish on this HyperEVM's seamless core-aligned VDEX. Yes, this does support the HyperEVM as well as the HyperCore, which is the traditional HyperLiquid DEX, which is also known as HyperCore. Alright, enough of that. It's a simple DEX. As you can see, we have swap function, have the function to open different pools, and yes, that is where you can earn up to 1000%. Oh well, it's dropped down to 700% now. That's the reason you gotta act quickly on these things. But yeah, if you come into the quest section in the point boost tab, you can use the code SUPER here and apply it for the points boost I mentioned. And if you do not have your funds on HyperEVM already, use Across, use Stargate, although I've only used DBridge. Another great option is Project X, where you have a plethora of options from different chains and tokens to bridge over to HyperEVM. But once you've done that, you can directly deposit any of these pools. But I have a bonus for you later in the video if you keep watching. But yeah, for now, let's focus on LPing into the KHYPE pool, which offers up to a sweet 220% APY. Choose the price range that you like, let's say aggressive. And right here, you can choose the range yourself. If this don't cut it out for you, you can scroll down and deposit the tokens once you're happy with everything. It's the same as in any other DEX, but it comes with a pretty cool, different looking, retro feeling, cyberpunky UI, which I should say I'm a fan of. Okay, I'm just seeing this text box right here, which says it's AI powered. It seems like it supports a bunch of different languages. Like, oh, that is great, isn't it? Let's say hi to USDC. Enter. Takes quite a bit of time, I should say. So just like that, you can swap from any token to any token. What if I put a number here? One hi to USDC. This is actually pretty cool, but swap function is one of the simplest tasks that you could do. It would have been much great if they actually did that on their pools section. This is the V3, the CL type pool, where you have the concentrated liquidity with custom ranges, which is the one we are using. And you can create your own by using the pool wizard function. But I would rather not and deposit on one of these pools that already has a good enough TVL with great APR percentages. Anyways, the HyperCore function is also in beta right now. You can try it out. It works the same. Just uses your HyperCore instead of the EVM funds. But they're still testing it out and we'll let them do it. But for now, it's time for the bonus. As you can see here, Theo is another, I would say, nice project which has a bunch of funding and a potentially good airdrop that's in the pipeline. I'll leave a link to this. You can also go into the invite section and use the code SUPER for a boost in your points. So all you have to do for that is just register on Theo, come back to pools and deposit into the USDT HP pool. Would you look at that? It's still under $10 million TVL, just how you would have been earlier to this Project X if you watched this video that I posted almost 2 months ago, or if you've been a part of the Telegram channel, you would have gotten that when this was like ridiculously early. I'm talking like 1 to 2 days after launch. Anyways, the market is filled with a ton of opportunities, so just make sure you don't miss out on every single one of those opportunities and you should be good. And do not forget to check out all the links down in the description.